Well, hello again. This is our Week 7 MyStatsLab Problem 5 example. And in our problem, suppose you want to estimate the proportion of traditional college students on your campus who own their own car. From research on other college campuses, you believe the proportion will be near 40%. What sample size is needed if you wish to be 98% confident that your estimate is within 0.06 of the true proportion? Now there are two ways we can do this. We're going to go ahead and let Excel do the calculations, use formula in Excel to do that, and then we're going to change to another sheet and let PHStat do it very quickly for us. So let's see what we need in order to calculate our sample size. And our formula here shows us we need to know p hat, q hat, our z-score, and our margin of error. So first of all, p hat. Well, the value of p hat is actually unknown, but we feel that it's reasonable to use the value found at other colleges as our estimate. So we're going to let p hat be 0.4. Now, being that p hat is 0.4, then of course we know q hat is going to be 1 minus p hat, so equals 1 minus p hat, and I bet you already know what this is, huh? 0.6. Our margin of error, we're told here that we want the estimate to be within 0.06, so 0.06 will be our margin of error. And our z-score from the chart that was provided, 98% confidence level, we're going to use 2.326. And now it's just a matter of plugging into our formula here so that we can calculate n, or our sample size. So let's go equals, and then in parentheses we're going to put p hat times q hat, close that parentheses, times, we'll use parentheses again, now we need z-score, divided by our margin of error, close that. Now above the 6 key, we'll push that to be able to square this number, hit enter, and there we have it, 360.685, or 361. So our sample size that we would need in order to be 98% confident would be 361. So now let's change over to another sheet, and let's let PHStat do this for us. So from our add-ins tab, we'll go to PHStat, sample size, and determination for the proportion. And the first thing it asks us for is the estimate of the true proportion, and we're going to use our p hat, which is 0.4. Our sampling error, again, 0.06. And we need to change the confidence level, which defaults to 95%. We need to change that, but we want to be 98% confident. So there are the three items that we need. So all we have to do now, click OK, and there we have it. Look at there, 361, same as we got the other way. There's our 2.326 z value that it calculated, 0.4, 0.6 for p and q hat at 98%. Now that's the way to do it. That's easy. But either way, we come up with the same number, 361. So there you have it. That's your Week 7 MyStatsLab Problem 5 example. See you next time.